What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is one of the houses that I had bought in for 190,000. It's a 4.56 acres. It was in really bad shape. Had a lot of mold, cracks. Weather stripping was bad. It needed a lot of work. So I started, painting it, cleaning it, pressure washing it. And just fixing all the little things that it needed. We started updating the windows, painting the windows, all the wood trim along the windows, and then I started buying some stucco primer. That cost me about $700. Started putting it all around the house just to get it ready for when I was gonna paint it. It took me a while to paint because I had to put several coats. And then here's a video of us demolishing. We had it had a small little house in the back of the property, and we had to demo it, just get rid of it because they were charging us for more taxes for this little home. It was like a 30 by 17, 30 by 18 square feet. So I had to hire somebody to come in and just pretty much demolish it. And there they are trying to get rid of it. They're trying to push it and just break it down, and there it is. It's gone. It's all the way in the back, if you could see all the debris. So yeah, and then that was one of the slabs. When I bought it, the lady pretty much gave me a free slab. It's a 30 by 32 slab. And right here in this picture, you could see that we had already finished primering it. Also, I installed some new solar screens. That cost me about $900, just to keep the AC nice and cold. And then, all around the house, I had about 13, 14 windows. And then also what we were going to start doing is I was going to start fixing the roof because the roof was in really bad shape. But here's an outside view from the street. And there they are. These are the guys fixing the roof. It cost me about $7,500, but it was all worth it because I just felt I didn't feel like I was safe in that house when it was raining. I just felt like water was going to start coming in. Yeah, they did a really good job. It took them about 2 days to get that roof finished. And then after the roof, we started working on the front porch. The front porch, we made it seem more open. We took out that big old piece of plywood that's in the front of the columns. If you could see, there it is. And we just opened it up, put some 6x6s, and just give it a nice, more country style feel to it. Also, we fixed the restrooms, both of them. That cost us about $3,200. It came out real good, real good. We did both restrooms exactly the same. I'm here at my rental property. We're about to actually I just got here maybe an hour ago, and I'm painting right now because it's gonna be on the market on Monday. We're gonna put it on the market, so I'm getting it ready to start painting. I'm gonna give you a little tour, see how it looks. That way you can see for yourself. Let me step back. So I've already painted it black on the trim. It's gonna be blue just like this side right here. I need to fix those little dots on the windows. But I'm cleaning the soffit and the fascia board first. Cleaning them, taking off the old paint. And then once I clean them, and then I have my sprayer there ready. See, it's gonna be all black on the inside. You see that? It's right there in that middle. It's gonna be the blue, like the side of the house. I'm gonna put some cedar on the wood beams, the 6x6s. So I still need all this part right here. So I'm gonna be here a while. And see, right there is where I need to take off all that old paint. All that old paint right here. I've already taken it off on this side, but I just need this piece and that piece, and then I can start painting all this right here. So I still got a long way to go, but it's getting there. That way we can start getting some offers and people can start seeing it. So it's going in like an hour, 2 hours. And I'll show you the results. So here we have me and my son. We started with the back. It was a little windy that day, but we started with the back just because the wind was, it wasn't bothering us. We just, using the Greco sprayer, man, it comes in handy. It works great. We painted that whole wall, I would say, in less than 5 minutes. The only hard part is that, you have to get all the corners, all the windows, all the ceilings, because then you have to come back for touch-ups. But it works great. I mean, you never have problems. And then also it's just, it comes in handy. And then we moved to the side of the house. We were still getting blocked, or the wind was blocking, the house was blocking the wind. But we moved pretty fast. We went to the front, and that was pretty easy. It wasn't too big. And there we are. That's the only hard part, is just getting through all the corners and over the windows, and just trying to finish it as fast as we can, just because it was super hot that day. And then here that was the last wall that I had to finish. My son was on the other side doing all the touch-ups, but I was there, just trying to finish, because we were there since the morning. And let me see, yeah, I was just trying to get but this is the final result. It looks awesome. It gives the house a huge, way better appeal. And thank you for watching, and I hope you liked my house.
3 bedroom to bath ranch up to 1.6 acres facility Progressity X.
Pensamientos nuevos son los que ya cargo. Una nueva vida la que me estoy dando. Poco a poco envidia se van presentando. El tiempo en